2606 West Newton Street, dates August 4th, 2021. I'm making this recording from the black ABS cleanout here on the west side of the driveway. Yes, west side of the driveway. I'm going to pull back. We're looking at the Seattle City main there. Clay main running by. We're pulling back into 6-inch diameter clay piping with a seam approximately every 2 feet. We're out under Newton Street right now, coming back towards the house, towards the property. Again, 6-inch diameter clay. Looks fairly clean. We're transitioning from concrete to clay there. There's a slight lip in the pipe right there where those seams are separating just a hair. That is pretty common, transitioning different material pipe there. I think we came back into 4-inch diameter somewhere. Somewhere in here. I'm going to pause and locate this spot. Alright, continuing the recording. I did move where the camera was before I paused, so we're going to come back. This is all 4-inch diameter concrete we're in now. We're back on the property. We come back into a black ABS section here, associated with the clean out. And here is the existing clean out as it stands. I'm going to end the video there.